It would be easy and understandable to think that we're basically done with COVID next Wednesday when the state's tier system of health restrictions expires. But the damage done to lives, to livelihoods, will linger. Today, the County Board of Supervisors discussed how to distribute nearly $650 million of relief from the American Rescue Plan Act.
No one deserves to be homeless. No one deserves to be struggling. No one.
Mia Roseberry co-founded and runs Wounded Warrior Homes based in San Marcos.
We provide transitional housing and reintegrative support services for post 9/11 veterans with traumatic brain injury and post-traumatic stress.
Like so many nonprofits, Roseberry says she could use more financial help, especially when it comes to assisting veterans experiencing homelessness.
It was somewhere between 20 and 25% of the homeless are veterans in San Diego. So a significant funding from the county with regarding to housing would always be very helpful to, like I said, help us to plan for long-range funding.
Here's a big picture breakdown of how county staff is recommending the money be distributed. The lion's share, $307.5 million, would go to costs already incurred from the pandemic and money to deal with it into the future. As you can see, homeless services, small business, infrastructure, mental health, and premium pay for county workers who stayed on the job during the crisis would all get assistance.
A lot of small businesses still need cash support. So that they can pay their employees, pay their rent.
Though the Chamber of Commerce represents many types of businesses, Jerry Sanders says restaurants are among the hardest hit. Many shelled out thousands to build outdoor dining spaces, and with the on-again, off-again closures, purchasing food was a vexing proposition.
And they wouldn't know whether to buy it or not, and they'd have to just take a chance and buy it. And sometimes they just would end up throwing it away.
The premium pay portion of the money for essential county employees is opposed by Supervisor Joel Anderson. Overall, Chairman Nathan Fletcher says the help should be coming soon.
And our hope is by summer, folks will be able to benefit from those programs.
Programs that represent a big forward step in helping the people of this county recover from the COVID pandemic. John Carroll, KPBS News.